there. So I think the answer should be just stand in love.
Thank you very much. Moving on.
I'd like to endorse what the first speaker has said. Thank you very much. And I think we felt that there was a question that, or at least that we wanted to go away with, which was, how do we bring love about? How do we make it happen so that it grows safely? We know the risks and we enjoy the risks sometimes. It's the excitement that often brings us into love. But how do we nourish it so that it keeps us and do that in a way that's safe in our homes and families and communities? We thought tonight was a real love-in.
We sort of came to the conclusion that love can be dangerous if you haven't got a dishwasher. And we also sort of, well, we didn't really come to any sort of conclusion really, and we just sort of discussed, you know, the dangers of it, but also the best bits about it as well. And I think that it is more important to hang on to what love is and why you're in love, and to keep a hold of that really when everything seems to be falling apart around you.
And our final group.
Hey guys, basically in our group we come up with like the end solution that we think that love is like how you interpret it, how you perceive it. So like it can be dangerous if you take it the wrong way, like, but if you take it the right way, then of course it's not going to be dangerous, is it? And we also thought that Valentine's Day is a bit pointless because if no, seriously, if you love someone, like, shouldn't you show them that you love them every day, not just that one day? It's a bit, you know, that's another thing. Like we thought, and I'm fine. Oh yeah, and finally we thought that you should all like just like break into song and sing, all we need is love. It's just like. So if everyone knows the words, you want to join in? I'll say 3, 2, 1, and then we'll all have a. So I'll give everyone